Okay, for this example, it's from 3.1 and we're given the equation of a parabola and we are asked to find the vertex, axis, domain, and range. So first I'm going to find the axis, and this is given by the equation x is equal to h, where h is negative b over 2a. Now in this equation of the parabola, a is equal to negative 3, b is equal to 12, and c is equal to negative 8. So plugging in those values, for h we would get negative 12 over 2 times negative 3, which would be negative 12 over negative 6, which is simply 2. So the axis lays at x is equal to 2. Now, for the vertex, if you remember, the vertex is simply the ordered pair h comma k, where h we have already found to be 2, and k is found by plugging the value of h into our function. So we're going to find f of 2. If we plug that in, we get negative 3 times 2 squared, which is 4, plus 12 times 2 minus 8, which is negative 12 plus 24 minus 8, which ends up being 4. So now we have a value for k, which is 4, and a value for h, which is 2. So our vertex is at 2, 4. Now for the domain, this is a parabola, so your domain is all real numbers. And in interval notation, that means that we can plug in any number between negative infinity and positive infinity, and we can get a real number out. The range is a little trickier, but this is how I look at it. If the lead coefficient in your f of x, which is negative 3, if that is a negative number, your parabola opens down. So negative parabola opens down. In other words, like this. So if our vertex is up here, our range is all values from our vertex all the way down to negative infinity. So this would be negative infinity up to 4.